Hi everyone, welcome to my presentation on focus sequences of structural engineering. Okay, so first is civil structure, which I'm very passionate about. This including transportation, environmental, hydraulic, and earthquake engineering. What do we do? Career path. So we're gonna focus mainly on structural design for bridges, residential, commercial, and hospital. Um, you're gonna do on structural design of enclosure, inspection and forensic, retrofit, field engineering, construction management, and research. So from Revit, we can put into sketches like this for any detail. We have um, the beam, the shear wall, foundation, anchor bolt, how to put anchor bolt. So from that builders, they can see them and put into the house and put into the stud, and then we finish with the house that I built. So next is structural design of enclosure. This basically insulation or HVAC system. Um, they're gonna check for the heat flow and heat gain from the house. Inspection and forensic is basically checking the safety of the house and if the house meet the code requirement. They also do research on the code and to update the code as well. Retrofitting is to update the logic that to update any old and existing structure, but still keeping the old way, not changing anything new. Next is the geotext focus sequence. So geotext focus sequence provide a solution to problems between human structure and soil or rocks because most of our structure is based on the soil. So we need to take account that of the soil to build foundation. So they're gonna see at the soil's property, which is the shear strength, compressibility, permeability, and thermal conductivity. So this is very important for any structure that is built underground. They're gonna look at very carefully on the soil. Next is aerospace focus sequence. This focus sequence focus mostly on aerospace vehicles. They're gonna use advanced analysis method and innovative material to design a high performance and high reliability of aerospace structure. This including aircraft, drone, rocket, satellite. They also gonna make sure that all these vehicles are high in strength but low in the weight and also good on flexibility, which is why designing a new materials is also a role in aerospace engineering. Aerospace engineering also look at the static as well to make sure the plane is under the forces that can keep the plane in the constant speed, which is thrust, lift, drag force, and the weight. Um, Airplanes, they mostly will have aluminum because aluminum is very durable and good in strength, even though they are less than steel, but they are very lightweight than steel. Okay, next is the focus sequence of structural health monitoring and non-destructive evaluation. So they're gonna look at how we can detect and maintain any structures and diagnosis of any problems that can lead to severe damage failure. They're gonna take account of the environment, the repeated loading, the impulse type event, natural disaster and extreme event, or any man-made event. So one of their job is the monitoring system. They're gonna put the sensors on the deck of the bridge or any columns of the bridge, so they can see any damage or any failure. So the sensor, they will know it from the sensor that what part of the bridge is failing, and they can know exactly what point to fix. So they're gonna do inspection on bridges as well. That is, which is why this tool is very relatable. They also take account of any airplanes or aircraft to make sure that the safety of the aircraft, and that is basically what they do. That is it, and thank you for listening.